All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, appreciate it. Please, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Also, everybody, please hit that thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and feel free to share the video so everybody can learn how to GPU mine and we can spread mass adoption of cryptocurrency. All right, so today I want to talk about uTip. It is an exchange called Unnamed Exchange, and I'm on their Bitcoin talk here. Starting off at their Bitcoin talk because their main page obviously is an exchange, and I'll get to that in a minute. I'll leave the link to the Bitcoin talk in the description of the video. So here there's coin specifications right off the bat. Proof of work, reward blocks less equal to 960 equals 1.133, etc. Blocks less than or equal to 999,999 is 13. Coins, proof of stake, it's saying here 100% a year on proof of stake. Minimum age to generate stakes is 1 day. Max age to rise weight, 90 days. Nodes are coded. Algorithm is X13. It says new supply is only 5.5 million. Wow, that is really low. And the ticker is uTip. Okay, moving on. So in their exchange, they have this tipping in troll box feature. Looks like you can tip other people. You can show your generosity by just clicking the tip button on the bottom of the troll box and use any cryptocurrency that's listed on an unnamed exchange. It's also secured by the two-factor authorization to make sure that all transactions happening in unnamed exchange are safe. So it looks like they do implement a two-factor authorization. There's wallets here, but I tried this Windows wallet. It doesn't work. I don't really see the need for it. If they have an exchange, they obviously have their coin on the exchange, and there's a wallet there for it. So that's what I am using. They're on Trade Satoshi, which is, I think, defunct at this point. And, of course, their own exchange. So there's really not any need for them to be on any other exchange that I can see. Here are the pools. I am using Salt Pool. And I don't see that on here. So I got my pool off of Mining Pool Stats. And as you can see, here it is, Salt Pool. And it looks like there's only 4 major pools that are doing the hashing. So obviously I try to stay away from the top one if I can. So I'm using Salt Pool. Okay, let's go back to the Bitcoin talk. And here are their social media links. So that's it. I don't see... I would have liked to have seen a link to their block explorer, which I don't see. So let's head over to let's head over to the exchange here. Let's see. All right, here's their main page where you can sign up. It says fast. Our exchange runs on some of the fastest servers in the industry, include comprehensive DDoS mitigation to protect us and guarantee uptime stability. So DDoS is obviously internet type security to make their website secure. And I do see a lockup here, which is a basic way of saying that this website is secure. We take our security very seriously. We provide cold storage, two-factor authentication, live backups, encrypted wallets, and much more. So that's very good, very nice to see. Full-time support. We take pride in our quick responses and resolutions. Our team is available every day of the year. We are always ready to answer questions or resolve any issues. Simple and lightweight API with a powerful toolkit and the flexibility to perfectly support and scale to any type of application in JSON format for everybody to use. And it's unnamed.exchange. I'll leave that in the description of the video I'm doing. And I don't remember, let's go back to Bitcoin Talker. I don't remember if I said this, but the algorithm is X13. Okay, this is, I've signed in here. I just wanted to show you guys what the exchange looked like. Here are their BTC pairings, LTC pairings, Doge. They have uTip pairings, ETH, US dollar Tether, XMR, or Monero and Waves. So if I go to the account here, this drop-down box, you can see it shows what your funds are, some settings, support, transfer. So I guess if you have an issue, this is where you would get help. You probably generate a support ticket, accounts, your profile. So if you wanted to deposit, please select the currency you would like to deposit. So they're going to give you an address. So in this case, if you're mining uTip, you want a uTip address. Here it is. Here's my uTip public address. So obviously you copy that and use it in your miner setup. Okay, let's go over to their social media sites. Here's their Twitter account. And just going to take a brief glance. So February 12th, they pinned a tweet here. It says the listing fee to list on their exchange is 0.06 Bitcoin. Bitcoin's currently running around 5,300, so a little bit more than half of that. They retweeted. So Bitcoin CZ is added. And this retweet, Unnamed Exchange, March 10th, they tweeted 2 new pairs got added. So it looks like they're getting listings and they're growing the exchange. Let's go to Discord. And not really much on the Discord. You can check it out when you get a chance, but it looks like if you have an issue with something here, WPay, this person had an issue with something to do with deposits, and it was answered. This was back in December. So I guess you can get some help here or if you have a question, but not really much activity going on there. This is, okay, so let's go over to the pool. This is Salt Pool, so as you can see, I have highlighted here uTip, and they give you the command line to use for their pool. Very easy, very simple, user-friendly, so that's great. Also, the X13 algorithm is ASIC resistant, so we like that. And the X13, so the 13 means it uses 13 different hashes for its algorithm. And it's ASIC resistant, so we like that. So if we go over to Simplemining, as you can see, I'm mining it right now. I'm just using my Equihash overclock settings. Obviously, at your own risk, you want to, if you would like to, you don't have to, but you could overclock it at your convenience. Your GPUs, I'm using Nvidia Zotac 1060s. And so let's go over to group config. And here at the top, I'm mining Salt Pool. I'm using ccminer CUDA 9.1. And here's the command line. like I said, you just copy and paste. You're just filling in your wallet. And this is the wallet address I got from the exchange. And obviously you want to put your wallet address in there. Here, dash A, after that you put X13 for the algorithm, dash O. After that you're putting your mining pool address, :port 3635, just like it says in Salt Pool. So let's bring this back, add a group. So you're going to be using ccminer. I'm using 9.1, but use whatever you want, whatever is appropriate for you. So you say, well, how do I know this miner accepts X13 algorithm or works with X13 algorithm? You go down here, it says the algorithms that are currently on ccminer, and you can see down here it says X13. So we know that's what we want. As you can see, you just cut this out and paste your command line from the salt pool, and then just filling in your wallet address. Group name, I do the name of the coin. In this case, it's uTip. And group description, I put the name of the pool and the miner I'm using, in this case, ccminer 9.1. And as you can see, I did that here. Let's go over to rig list, and I'll show you I'm successfully mining it with the heads-up display. And as you can see, I'm getting jobs. Yes, yes, yes means I'm getting shares. So we know the command line works, and we're successfully mining. And it looks like my GPUs are running cool, so that's a good sign. And let's go over to, just want to see what my wattage is. 522, not bad. A little lower than usual when I'm running something else, some other algorithm. All right, so let's go over to CoinGecko. I just want to show you guys, look at how cheap this coin is right now. 0.00048648. With only a 5.5 million total supply. Usually that means with this price, it's very cheap. Just want to go over to Bitcoin Talk and see when this started. So the first post was July 27, 2019. So the exchange isn't that old. So it looks like you might be able to scoop up some cheap coins here with a 5.5 million supply. And it looks like their exchanges, I've seen some worse exchanges that have just started. So for a new exchange, their exchange looks pretty professional. Oops, let's go back. Back to the exchange. They have a basic and advanced view. I mean, they have a lot of pairings. I didn't even scroll down. I mean, look at all these. They have two-factor authentication, and they cold storage and all that stuff, and good support. Seems they're priding themselves on good support, so that's good. Yeah, I mean, you could speculatively mine this at 5.5 million supply. It's cheap. So let's go back to Simplemining. Just want to show you guys again, still working good. So I think that's going to be about it for today. So let me know, what do you think of this project? Are you thinking about mining it? Have you mined it? Have you heard of it before? Let me know what you think. Let me know if anybody can find their block explorer. I couldn't find a link to it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, like I said before, if you could subscribe, like, share the video, much appreciated, as I'm just getting the channel going. And give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. I try to do a video every day or every other day. And if you have something else you want me to look into, I can do that too. So again, thanks for watching, everybody.